Best Supporting Actor for Luna Award is Elaine Santos.
Live, I'm sure, will really help to try to make our family, our industry bigger and better and more global, as you said. So thank you once again, Direk Joey. And like his film, this year we have some amazing, napakatindi talaga ng mga nominees natin ngayon. I mean, our top 5 finalists alone for Best Picture, When I Met You in Tokyo, Gomborza, Rewind, In His Mother's Eyes, Third World Romance. These are amazing films that are so fitting to be in our top 5 for Best Picture. And I don't know, it's anyone's bet tonight. But there will only be one winner who will take the ultimate Luna Award. And I can't wait to find out which one of those will be the lucky winner. All deserving of a Luna Award, but you know, like a beauty contest, isa lang talaga ang mararay na ngayong gabi. So hopefully we will get to meet all of our winners later. Now, in 2023, Mylene Dizon and Solomon Cruz proved that there are no small roles, only small actors, as they took home the trophies for their outstanding supporting roles. Here are the nominees for Best Supporting Actress and Best Supporting Actor.
Ang mga nominado sa Best Supporting Actress: Angel Aquino, A Very Good Girl; Chi Filomeno, A Very Good Girl; Ana Abad Santos, Third World Romance; Iya Mia, Third World Romance; Cassidy Legaspi, When I Met You in Tokyo;
Presented, the Best Supporting Actress winner is Miss Josie Taglin, Born and Blue. Katipunan ng mga artistang Pilipino sa pelikula at telebisyon.
The winner, Best Supporting Actress, Ana Abad Santos.
Good evening, everyone. Wait, I should have worn higher heels. I'd like to thank, of course, the Film Academy for my Luna Award. Thank you so much. It's so unexpected. Thank you, Direk Wayne. Thank you so much for making me a part of your gem of a film, Third World Romance. It was really amazing working with you, working with your vision and your material, and all the actors also in this film. They were just awesome to be with, and I am so honored to be in this film. Also, of course, all the other nominees, Iya, Angel, Chi, wonderful, wonderful women and actors. I'm so honored. Mabuhay kayong lahat at mabuhay ang sineng Pilipino. Salamat.
Ang mga nominado sa Best Supporting Actor: Elijah Canlas, Gomborza; Piolo Pascual, Gumburza,
Bakit ako matatakot magsabi ng totoo?
L.A. Santos, In His Mother's Eyes,
Baka sarili siya.
Pepe Herrera, Rewind,
Manggaan mo rin ako. Sige ka, ba't yan?
Archie Adamos, Third World Romance,
Kung sorry ako.
Hindi mo po.
Nakikiusap lang kayo, di ba?
Presenting the Best Supporting Actor winner is Mr. Bobby Benitez, President of Assistant Directors and Production Managers Association for Motion Picture Incorporated.
Good evening. So,
Yan.
Hello po and wonderful evening to all of us po. I just want to say thank you po for this Great Speeches Award po. And I dedicated my performance po to everyone in the spectrum and to every special child in this world po. And of course, sa lahat po ng mga mommy na meron pong special. Kaya I want to thank my Star Magic family po, tsaka my director, Sir FM Reyes po. And that's all I have about wonderful evening.
ang mga nominado sa Best Sound Design. Janina Micaela Minglanilla, Garen Roy Rosales, Nara by Wild Sound, Gitling. Albert Michael Idioma, Janina Micaela Minglanilla, Emilio Bien Sparks, Gumburza. Emmanuel Verona, Fatima Nerita, Huling Palabas.
10 million yan bukas. Pag-10 pa yan.
Emilio Bien Sparks, Michael Keanu
Sila pala
Cruz,
mga ano,
Rewind.
halos sila lahat yung katabi natin kanina, sila halos nag-ano sa
Armand
design.
Guzman,
Sila
Fatima
lahat-
Nerita,
sila halos
Emmanuel
nag-ano
Verona,
sa
Walang
movie.
Yan in Tokyo.
Grabe, yung Spark. And the best sound goes to
Presenting the Best Sound winner is Mr. Albert Reno, President of the Motion Picture Audio Society of the Philippines Incorporated.
and the winner for Best Sound is R. Albert Michael Idioma, Janina Micaela
tatlo?
Minglanina,
tatlo sila.
Emilio Bien Spark,
Sino to?
or Umborsa.
Kaya sila dalawa, o yun, kanina kausap natin.
Good evening po sa ating lahat. Wala lang po, hindi lang po nakapunta yung sound designers from NARA. But on behalf of Gan Sparks, Janina Minglanilla, and Sir Albert Michael Idioma, and the whole NARA by Wild Song team, we would like to thank everyone who we have worked with to be able to create this remarkable project, especially to Jesuit Communications, and especially to Direk Pepe Jokno. Panalo po natin ito, Direk. And once again, congratulations to Nara team and to all the winners. Maraming salamat po sa Luna Awards at mabuhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you.